What's up, guys? Today I'm going to introduce you to the Mission Pack. This bag is perfect for everyday adventures, your daily commute, wherever the road may take you. This bag's the one. So my favorite feature of this bag is the insulated cooler pocket. You can put your lunch, your snacks, your six-pack, whatever in there, and it'll keep it cold and hot all day long. You've got two tech accessory pockets in the front. This one's great for like maybe your 10-4 portable power bank. What's awesome is that you can loop your cord right here, plug your phone in here, and then your tech devices are stored away. So if it's raining, it's going to be out of the rain, safe and sound. This bag is made of 600D snow canvas, so great for the rain, mud, dirt, whatever. It's going to stay nice and dry. You've got two side water bottle accessory pockets, so you can put really big water bottles in there, or you can store your wallet or your phone and zip it up for some extra safety. Inside, we've got a 25-liter capacity, tons of room for whatever you may need for the day, maybe a blanket, your laptop. You can fit a 15-inch laptop in here. It's padded and it's stitched an inch above the bottom so that if you drop your bag on the ground, your laptop's not going to hit the ground and break. You've got an RFID lined pocket right here. You can store your wallet in there and you won't have to worry about it getting scanned by anybody sketchy at the airport. You've got two carabiner slots here, so you can, strap on whatever you might need for maybe a daily hiking trip. You've got a hydration slot here for a Camelback. On the bottom, we've got two straps right here that you can maybe put a yoga mat, a skateboard, a blanket, whatever you may need. The Mission Pack is ready for all your daily adventures. It's comfortable, it's perfect, so take it wherever you might go.